4D printing is a type of 3D printing that allows objects to change shape or function over time in response to environmental stimuli, such as heat, light, or moisture. This is made possible by using smart materials that can undergo a physical or chemical change when exposed to these stimuli. 4D printing potential applications, including self-assembling structures. 4D printing can be used to create structures that can assemble themselves without human intervention. This could be used to create buildings, bridges, or other infrastructure that can be quickly and easily deployed in disaster zones. Adaptive devices. 4D printing can be used to create devices that can adapt to their environment. This could be used to create prosthetics that can change shape to match the user's movements, or clothing that can regulate temperature or provide protection from the elements. Self-healing materials. 4D printing can be used to create materials that can self-repair damage. This could be used to create medical implants that can heal themselves over time, or packaging that can fix itself after being damaged. Regenerative materials. 4D printing can be used to create materials that can regenerate themselves. This could be used to create food that can grow itself, or textiles that can repair themselves after being worn. Here are some specific examples of 4D printing applications that are currently being developed. 4D printed shoes. A company called New Balance has developed 4D printed shoes that have soles that can change shape to provide better support and comfort. The soles of these shoes are made from a smart material that reacts to heat and pressure. When the wearer walks, the soles of the shoes heat up and expand, providing more support. 4D printed robots. A team of researchers at the University of California, Berkeley has developed 4D printed robots that can self-assemble and repair themselves. These robots are made from a smart material that can change shape in response to heat and light. 4D printed medical devices. A company called Organovo has developed 4D printed liver tissue that can be used to test drugs and medical devices. The liver tissue is made from a smart material that can change shape in response to different drugs and chemicals. This allows researchers to test how drugs and medical devices will affect liver tissue in real time. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.